In this video, I'm going to show you 5 apps that will pay you $100 via your PayPal account. And I'm actually making this particular video because there are currently a lot of people who are earning a lot of money online via PayPal. But then people are still asking, how do I start making $50? How do I start making $100 from the online space? Now, if you're still confused and you're wondering how you can start earning money, then this particular video today is that very video you're going to watch. And you can actually go ahead and start taking action and you can start getting super results. Now, with the multiple ways to make money via PayPal, I can actually assure you that most of what you've actually seen on YouTube right here are all BS videos. And it is basically because when you go ahead to try out a series of these videos, you get to realize that they are not even worth your time. And even when you get to apply enough time and action, you get to realize that it doesn't fetch you as much as it is actually said or it's actually preached. And this is exactly why in this video I want to show you these 5 legit apps that will start making you money via PayPal in this particular year. So what you want to do right now is to make sure to stick through this particular video till the very end so you don't miss out on the other app I'm going to share with you guys because they are all super important. And I'm going to be giving you several instances and how you can actually earn money via these various applications. So what you actually want to do is to make sure that you are seated right back and watching this video till the very end so that you don't miss out on any of these apps and you're able to start applying what I share with you guys in this particular video today. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and here on this channel I share with you guys those tips and tricks, reviews and strategies that will help you to start up and scale your online business. So if you're new to this channel, make sure that you subscribe right here, join the community, and at the same time give this video a thumbs up. During the course of this video, I'm going to be sharing a series of apps that will actually help you start earning money via PayPal. And if you have any questions, you're confused, or you need clarifications, so make sure that you go ahead and drop me comments in the question below. And yes guys, I will definitely answer all of your comments, right? So go ahead and drop your comments in the comment section below. And as well, I would also like to put up a disclaimer that I would not share my personal contact with any of you guys in the comment section. So if there are people who are sharing personal contact, that person is obviously a scammer and is using my face or my image or my name to want to scam those of you. Every of the links I have for this particular video and to all of this too I'm going to share with you guys here are going to be left in the description of this video. So make sure to open the description to access all of the links that you would need to get started. Now, without further ado, I'm going to jump straight into the particular video. The first one here is FOP. Now, FOP is a simple photography application that allows you to sell your photos online. Most of you guys take pictures every day, and you actually are very good at doing this particular one thing, which is picking up your phone and snapping, right? But you take a lot of images and then they all sit right there in your gallery, taking up space, and sometimes you even have to pay for extra space in order to keep and store these photos. How about you start selling them and making money for yourself? Now, this is the FOP website right here, and you can see it says time to make extra money with your videos and your photos. Alright, and what happens here is basically you are allowed to upload your videos and photos, and with uploading them you get to earn cash. Now guys, calm down, I'm going to explain how this works. How it works basically is where these photos and these videos are being resold to people who need them, right? To other creatives who actually need to use them. For example, I need to get a video for B-roll and I want to go on sites where I'm going to get these videos for B-roll for my work. And I get to pay for this particular subscription, and I pay for these images and videos, and you get a cut on your videos that are being sold, okay? Now, most of all of this app I'm going to share with you guys right now are all going to work for you on your phone. So if you are currently one of those people that don't have a desktop, you're looking for how to make money via your phone, then this video still will work 100% for you because all of this app work on the phone. Now you can see here that you can download this FOP app on your iOS or on your Android. So all you basically want to do is, whether you use your iPhone or your Android, go ahead to your Play Store or your App Store and download the FOP app and follow through with the instructions, and you can start uploading your videos and photos and start making cool cash for yourself. Now this is one of those apps that will help you to get started with making money online. And number 2 on this particular list is user testing. Now user testing is a simple application that actually allows you to make money by testing applications, right? Yes, there are a lot of programmers, there are a lot of products out there that are being created and released into the market every other day, and all user testing is asking of you is become a tester, right? And help us understand what the customers of this product are going to act like, and give us a feedback. And with your feedback, you are going to be able to make money for yourself. Okay? So right here on the platform, you can see it says here, understand what it is like to be your own customer. And let's go over to where we say get paid to test. I'm going to click on that right now, and we come over here and you can see get paid to test. It says the ultimate side hustle. Get paid to share your perspective. Okay, share your perspective on products and experiences and make money in your own spare time. Right. So this basically is not even for people that that are open all around the clock. Right. You could actually have 1 or 2 hours in your hands, maybe during the break time during your 9 to 5, and you're like, okay, let me just take this break time I have to just do a couple of work online and make money for myself still. And all you need to do here is to apply. You browse through the series of products, the screening question and all, and you start the test. And then you move on to taking the test, where you share your perspective via test you match with, and help best in class brand improve their products and services, and you make money. Right? You make money just by simply giving your feedback and sharing your perspective on the several products that are available on this particular application. Now the next one here is Prolific, and Prolific is an application that actually pays you for your research studies and also surveys. Now I know that there are a lot of videos talking about making money online via surveys and making money online via researches, but I'm going to tell you that there are a series of apps that actually want to use that particular model to cheat you, to scam you of your money, to scam you of your time basically. Right, where you get to do a lot of surveys online and you do not get paid. But Prolific is one of those applications that I have tried and tested myself, and I've actually been paid for the research I've actually been able to do, and also I have also been paid for the surveys. Now the major thing here is the fact that this particular website doesn't just allow anybody on it, right? You actually need to have more experience, or should I say like more high level of information, right? Let's say education, to be able to be on this website, right? So you don't just double on the website and all. You have to be schooled, because the research studies that will actually give to you here are more of higher level, right? Same as the surveys, and this is even more reason why this particular website is one of those that would pay you, right? Because they do not just employ anybody. They employ people who are able to pass their screening, and they are sure they are able to get them good feedback on the research studies that are currently processing. Okay, now on the website right here you can see for researchers, AI researchers, participants and all, and scrolling down through you can actually go through the website, and you can see here where it says get paid to make a difference. Your opinion counts, earn money, no points, be productive in your spare time, there is no pressure. Okay, so you can easily choose studies from a wide range of topics, whether in science and in industry, and you take part in studies anonymously from comfort of your home anytime you like. Okay, so you can actually come over to this website prolific.co and you can sign up. Guys, I'm going to be leaving the links to all of this website down in the description of this particular video. So if you actually want to get access to any of them, open the description below, okay, and then you can access all of the links, and you can click and then go ahead and get started with any of this particular websites that you would actually need to get started with. Okay, and like I said, do make sure to drop a comment in the description below, and if you actually know what comment to drop, you don't have any questions, just drop PayPal money for me down there. Let me know that you're following up to this very point right now. Okay, now the next website right here, the number 4th website here, is Ibotta. Now Ibotta is a simple website that actually gives you cash back on your purchases. So if you love to do a lot of online shoppings, then basically you would actually want an application that can actually give you about 2, 3, 5, 10% cash back on the product you're buying. Now this might not work for a lot of my Nigerian audience, but then if you are in this particular location where Ibotta works for your shopping, then you're going to be able to use this application. And at the same time, if you're in Nigeria and you're able to also shop via Ibotta, then you can also get this cash back, and you're good to go. Okay, so on the website right here, Ibotta.com, it says here, new to Ibotta, get $10 when you spend $30. Right, so you're already going to be getting cash back when you spend an amount of money already. So earn cash back everywhere you shop. And you can see that there are several websites that actually sign up with Ibotta here. from the Home Depot to Best Buy to hotels.com to eBay to Priceline to Chewy. So let me use eBay or Walmart that we are very conversant with, even if you're in Nigeria. I know in the past I've done a video showing you guys how you can actually shop from all of these international stores in the US, UK, and everywhere in the world, and ship the products down to your locale here in Nigeria. Okay, I'm going to link that particular video right here. You can see it. Make sure you watch that video so they can actually see the app I use to make my purchases, and it arrives to me in less than a week right at the comfort of my home here in Nigeria. Okay, so instead of going over to this website to buy, you can go through Ibotta.com, and when you make these purchases, you are going to be getting a cashback reward for yourself, right? And it's actually a very simple way to accumulate your money over time, and you can use it to actually get other stuff, or you can even withdraw and use it to flex yourself. Okay, now that's the fourth website, and the next one here is actually one of the craziest websites right here, because I would say that I would not even imagine what this website can do in a longest of time. And this actually would work on your smartphone and majorly for Android. This is the way you're able to make money with just unlocking your phone, right? Yeah, I mean it. You can make money by simply unlocking your phone, okay? Now it's really crazy where you're like, oh, Franklin, how can you make money by simply unlocking your phone? Yeah, it's really crazy, but I'm going to explain how this works. So SlideJoy is this particular application, and you can see here it says earn discounts and cash by watching ads on your smartphone. But how does it really work? So what SlideJoy does is that when you actually lock up your phone, or at the bid of unlocking your phone, you're going to be seeing series of ads. And with seeing those ads, you get to watch these ads before you unlock your phone, and there is an ad revenue on every ad you watch. And with this ad revenue counting, you get a split of the ad revenue for yourself. Okay, so you can see here it says on the website, well, this is not the website, this is the link to download this to your Android phone, okay? So it says here on SlideJoy, you earn money and discounts from your phone just by doing something as simple as unlocking your Android. Yes, it's true, you earn money by turning on your screen and by swiping up to unlock it. How is this possible? What SlideJoy does basically is to put ads on your lock screen on your Android, so you get to split your ad revenue with them. Alright? So with all of the ads on your lock screen, you can simply just slide up on your phone, you watch these ads and unlock your phone and get to do whatever you want to do, but then you're still earning money. I can actually count that I unlock my phone over 100, 150 times every other day, especially when I get notifications. I don't know, how many times do you unlock your phone? Please drop it down for me in the comment section below. But then you get to realize that if you unlock your phone about 100 times, there's an opportunity for you to make money at every point in time when you're unlocking this particular phone, right? So if it's an Android phone, you're in luck because you can actually get to apply this application and you can start earning a couple of bucks for yourself right now on the app, and you can get to pay out via PayPal, right? So if you don't have a PayPal account in Nigeria currently, or you're in a country where PayPal does not work, all you want to do right now is to go ahead and watch this video where I've actually shown you guys how to create a PayPal account if you're in countries where you can't access PayPal. So they can do this for yourself, and you can actually start withdrawing your funds from this site and you are good to go. Okay, so if you love this video, let me know what part of the video you love, and let me know what app you're getting started with right now. Drop it down for me in the question below. And at the same time, give this video a thumbs up, guys, and subscribe to this channel. Share this video to whoever might need it. You don't know who you're going to be saving right now. Alright, and make sure to join the community, okay? Alright, thanks so much guys for watching this video. Until my next video, where I'll be sharing with you guys more tips and tricks on how to scale your online business. I'll see you. Peace.